In this lesson, we are going to see how Excel recognizes numbers and texts. Also, we shall perform some basic commands using keyboard shortcuts. Let us create a dataset of students. Firstly, we will enter headings. We can just go to the cell we want our headings to be in and start typing. Let us go to cell B2 and type NAME. Press tab, which brings me to the right. Address, tab, fees. Let us say we want to enter the name Alex. We will use the arrow keys to move to cell B3. Down arrow key, left arrow key thrice. Let us enter the name Alex. Tab, United Kingdom, tab, 300. We can see that names were automatically aligned to the left and the numbers to the right. That is, Excel recognizes texts and numbers differently. We can format the content of the cells using the font section in the Home tab in the ribbon. Let us go to cell B3. And now I can change the font of the text, the size of the text, the color of the text, add a border, and most importantly, fill color in the cell. Now this does not necessarily look very pretty. So, in order to copy the format of the cell C3, we can click on cell C3, go to the Format Painter, and click on cell B3. What just happened is that we selected the format of cell C3 and pasted it in cell B3. There are two more ways to format the texts which are much faster than using a mouse. One of them is keyboard shortcuts. To access the commands in the ribbon, all we need to do is press Alt. And Excel guides us further. A letter appears designated to each tab, meaning that to further access that tab, we can press the visible letter. Let us press H for Home tab. Now, Excel further shows the letters to press to run the specific commands. Typing FF allows us to select the font. Typing FG allows us to increase the font size. Typing FK allows us to decrease the font size of the text. I can also use Ctrl B to bold text, Ctrl I to turn it to italics, and Ctrl U to underline the text. Keeping them all together makes it an artistic text. Let me undo each item by using the same command. Ctrl B, Ctrl U, and Ctrl I. Another way to format texts and numbers is to use the Format Cells dialog box. The Format Cells dialog box deserves a special lesson and has been covered further in the course.